Hey guys, Junaid from Meninfluencer, and in this video I want to go over style hacks. Not some generic style hacks, but style hacks on your jeans. So at the end of the video, you most likely know what to do with your jeans. So, are you interested? Let's jump into the video. Number 1. So, you've got so many options nowadays regarding jeans. And I'm not even talking about the type of jeans, just the color of it. If you want to look like you know what style is, want to stand out and also increase your status, just simply wear white jeans. Do you want to know why? Nobody does it. Wearing white jeans is a bold statement. It makes you seem like you're not afraid to wear vulnerable clothes. Clothes that actually can get dirty. So by wearing white jeans, you definitely grab attention. Attention you'd probably love. Number 2. Know how important matching your jeans with your shoes is. What I mean by that is that even if you wear the best fitting pair of jeans and you wear some crappy ass shoes, you're screwed. So know what kind of shoes you're wearing and actually match it with the pair of jeans you're going to wear. Also, make sure the colors do actually match with each other. Number 3, pinroll. So this is an option you may want to utilize if you want your pair of jeans to actually be well fitted. Because sometimes our leg pipes are too wide or too broad at the wrong place. You can also do this if you want to flex your shoes or your socks. Who flexes their socks? Okay, so you pinhole a little bit of fabric on the inside of your jeans, depending on how tight you want it. Then you fold it towards your leg. Once it is folded against your leg, just simply roll it up to your preferred length. And you're done. Number 4, fit by the waist. I think everyone has bought a pair of jeans that was too big in the waist area at some point in their life. So obviously you can't wear it with having the problem that it's too wide. Most likely you'll use a belt. But here's the cool part. If you machine wash it with hot water and machine dry it with high heat, it will become tighter. Number 5, turn your jeans inside out. So if you want your jeans to stay in their best condition and prevent them from getting damaged, just simply, before you throw it into the washing machine, turn them inside out. Really simple, but it will drastically increase the lifespan of your pair of jeans. So if you'd like to see another awesome hack video, click the I bell on the top of the screen. And if you're thinking, hey, this video was pretty awesome and I love the value that you're providing, just simply consider to hit that subscribe button and help your brother out. That's it for me, and I'll see you on my next video.